folks, how you getting on? It's Kenny here again. Thank you for tuning in to the channel and having a wee look at what we're up to today. Today I'm just along from the Benlawers Dam and it's mid-afternoon and I'm just about to head up
Meall and Tarmachan.
I've been up this way before, a couple of years ago there, and it's a nice alternative to the main route from the car park. And of course it's lambing season. This is near enough the end of May, another week left, and the weather's so good. Just couldn't sit at home, so we've came down and we're going on a overnight camp. And before I set up the tent, I thought we'd tackle this little one here. This is a route ahead. We follow this track down to Sheelings here at the bridge, the wee dam. You can get some water there if need be, then we just go up that flat plateau there to reach the summit ridge, then a series of bumps and up to the top, which you can see in the distance. After a short walk you come to this little water dam feature and we're turning left here and follow the course of the stream up to the start of the ridge there. There's a cracking wee waterfall there to submerge yourself in and cool down. After a wee pool we catch the spur and the ridge and the views begin to open up over to the Lawers range there.
And along the Tarmachan ridge there, up to the summit up there. Just at the final section now, up and over, the top's up there. And we're on the final wee pull up to the summit itself. Very nice, eh? Let's get on to the summit. Whew. Wow. Pretty busy down there today, eh? There she goes. There's a view back down to the Lawers Dam there. Benlawers itself. And behind that's Stook. Unfortunately that's where the young boy passed away the other day there. Young Adam. 36, wow. Thoughts and prayers with the family at this difficult time. What a tragedy. Anyway, that was over there. God bless you. Rest in peace. Over here is the Big Ben Nevis and the Moors, the Bucco, all those ones we were over recently. Craig Voa, Ben Callum, and then straight through to the peaky one there, which is Cruachan, and Ben Lewin, that over there, Ben Oss, Dufraig, Ben Moore, Stobinion. Fantastic, so clear. It's only the back of 3 just now, and I seem to have the hill for myself just now, so I'll get playing with the drone. If you like the content, that please like, subscribe and all that sort of stuff. I'm at now 960 something subscribers. I don't need many to reach the magic 1000, so I'd appreciate it if you know anyone or you haven't subscribed, just to subscribe and help me reach that number. Thanks very much. I'm going to head round the glen now to Glen Lyon and Loch Lyon. I'll get a campsite there for tomorrow and get some Monroes tomorrow, all being well. This is our descent route, just basically following the water line right down to the little dam in the river, and there's our caraway down there at the roadside. So it's back to the starting point, that wee hut there. Let's go and head into the next glen there and go down to the dam and find a nice place to pitch our tent, have some tea and watch the sunset. That's our pitch for tonight. And another dam that seems to be spouting water, and that's our view right down Glen Lyon and Loch Lyon
right down to Ben Manach, the back end of Ben Dorain and Ben Andothai. That's our tea for the night. Smoked sausage inside the pot noodle there, a curry one obviously, for a bit of flavour, and a wee bit of an iron brew to wash it down there. And the backdrop of our spouting dam. And we're camped in a place where we won't disturb the sheep or the lambs, just in case we get asked to move. That's our feed, quite a lot of it actually. Cheers. Taxi and a better move. Time to move. That's us all bedded in, fed and watered, and had a good wash and dried off, and now it's time for some black gravy. What a beautiful place to sit and watch the sun going down, eh? Cheers. Wow. Well folks, that's the end of this wee video. Thank you very much for watching. If you liked the content, please consider liking, subscribing and recommending to any others to help to develop the channel. In the morning, all being well, I'll be heading out on the local hills here and I'll post that video when it's completed. In the meantime, look out for yourself, keep healthy and help others less fortunate whenever possible. Cheers and ATB.